What Toby hadn't considered, however, was that the lily pad could not hold up a tiny frog, but a big fat cat was another story. And so, Toby shrugged his shrill cry in terror as he splashed into the water. He came up sputtering and bedraggled. Bedraggled means dirty. Toby didn't think about it that when Hopper jumped on that lily pad, it shivered. Na? It could not, it was very difficult for the lily pad to hold the weight of tiny frog. And how that lily pad can hold the weight of cat? It could not hold the weight of cat. About didn't thinking about this thing. Toby jumped on that lily pad, and it drowned, it splashed into the water, and when it come out it was dirty. When the cat come out of the pond, it was dirty. The frogs come out of their hidden places and laughed at the sight of drenched cat. Drenched means wet cat. Other frogs who were hiding, they were from their hidden places. When they saw the wet cat, they all started laughing at Toby. You see, cats hate water, and Hopper had noticed that Toby never chased frogs into the pond. So when he saw the lily pad growing out of the pond, he has been thought in a bad way. A lovely plan to trick old Toby. Hopper noticed from many days, he was noticing that cats never hunt. Toby also never hunt the frogs into the pond. It always hunt the frogs around the pond. So he knew that cats hate from water. So that's why it all was a part of Hopper's plan. This was the planning of Hopper, that I will sit at the edge of the pond, and when Toby jumped on me, I will jump on lily pad, and when Toby jumped on lily pad, I will jump into the water, and Toby will splashed into the water. And this was the whole plan of Hopper. Hopper became a legend, means hero, as like a hero of old stories. ठीक है. Hopper became a legend among his family and friends for saving them from the menacing cat. Menacing cat means dangerous cat. He was now become a hero who saved his family and friends from the dangerous cat. Toby was so ashamed of being outwitted by a little frog that he never came near the pond again. And outwitted means smart. And to this day he still has nightmares about falling into the water. Nightmares means bad dreams. Toby was now feeling too much ashamed that a little frog caught him in a trap. So that's why he was feeling too much ashamed, and after that it never came near the pond. And it was Toby was having dreams also. Nightmares means frightful dreams about falling into the water, that he is falling into the water. About that thing dreams he was having.